If you get a call from Social Security, it is almost assuredly a scam. Now, when you get a call, and 27,000 people last quarter reported to Social Security that they got a scam call. So think of all the people that didn't even report it, right? But at least 27,000 reported it, that they got a call, and they said, hey, there's something wrong with your Social Security number. 45% of the scam calls were for your Social Security number. Your blood starts to rise. You're like, what's wrong, right? So you get emotional, and that's easy for them to take advantage of you. Social Security's not going to call you about that. If they have a problem, they will mail you a letter, an old-fashioned slow mail letter in the mail. 17% of the scams reported were people being alerted to a problem with their benefits. Talk about your blood pressure rising immediately. What do you mean there's a problem with my benefits? That's going to get your immediate attention. And then they need some private information over the phone to get it resolved quickly. And the email is going to have the Social Security's official logo, and it's going to look like it's from the government. Delete. Train your parents and your friends and your kids. Delete. They are going to write you an old-fashioned letter if there's a problem. It is very, very, very unlikely you will ever get a call. The only reason they call you is if you recently applied for benefits and they're calling about what you've recently been doing with them. They're not just going to call you out of the blue and say there's a problem with your benefits or a problem with your Social Security number. They're not going to send you an email because that's where all the scammers live. So it's important that you stay calm when you get those. And believe me, I've clicked on a whole bunch of bad things in my life that I shouldn't have, because you see it and right away you're like, oh my gosh, what's wrong? So know that it's very common. Know that it's out there. Prepare yourself. Don't click on anything right away. Calm down. Delete. There you go. You solved it. If there really is a problem, they're going to mail you a letter and you can watch your mail. I hope this helped someone. Please share this with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.